Give us this day our daily bread. And our daily bread for today comes from Proverbs chapter 31, verse 30. Charm is deceptive, and beauty does not last, but a woman who fears the Lord will be greatly praised. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm V, and I make simple, affordable recipes that the whole family can enjoy. Today, we'll be making banana strawberry pudding pie. I've cleaned my strawberries, adding a teaspoon of baking soda and a capful of vinegar, and I let them sit for 2 minutes. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for our pie today. I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. Start by mixing the instant banana pudding mix according to package instructions. Put in the fridge to set. Peel and cut your bananas. I'll be using 3 because I made 2 of these pies. Once set, add half of the pudding to your graham cracker crust and spread evenly. Add a layer of Nilla wafers. Follow with a layer of banana slices. Layer your banana slices with fresh strawberries. Add the remainder of your pudding. Spread evenly. Add more Nilla wafers around the perimeter of your pie. Garnish with strawberries and bananas, and there you have it. Quick, easy, refreshing banana strawberry pudding pie. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.